thunderstorm warning for central Madison County, southwestern Delaware County, eastern Hamilton County until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Noblesville, or 11 miles west of Anderson, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anderson, Noblesville, Alexandria, Yorktown, Cicero, Chesterfield, Lapel, Edgewood, Frankton, Daleville, Woodlawn Heights, Country Club Heights, and River Forest. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 231 and 246. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Hamilton, and Madison.